think the fish are sleeping. Oh, I think I disturbed him. Came to the Das Cafe because they have Starbucks coffee. They have these kiosks all over the place, and all I had to do was scan my QR code and it printed out our RFID cards, and you just stick them in your jacket. So cool. It is so cold today. Lots of groomers, first tracks, lots of corduroy, but you can hear how hard the snow is. It's a hard pack for sure. Ooh, my hand is freezing just to take this little bit of film, so I will not be filming too much because I can't have my glove on and my bare hand is freezing. Hey, Green Bee Explorer. I gotta stop, my hand's freezing. Have your skis back? Here's a different view of the heated outdoor pool and jacuzzi area. Oh, got my glove in the way there. Over there is what they call the clock tower. Although it was sunny, it was super cold. It was 7 degrees. And then eventually it warmed up to 8. Gonna flip you around here. And there is the waffle cabin during the day. All busy. Thanks for watching.